Hey, welcome to lesson number 5, prepositions. We have after, and before. We have by, by. And we have almost, all, more, plus the ST ending, almost. Yes. Now we have always, always. And we have sometimes, sometimes, and never. Take your hand out towards the side of your same side and then arc it down towards your center. Never. And both. We have top, middle, bottom. Yes, top. At the top of your fingers, middle, and bottom. At the bottom of your palm. Okay, next is up, palm in, up, down, and then we have over. We have under, and last is above. Okay, there you have lesson number 5. Here is your silent sign sentence. Ready? Okay, what did I say? And see you in lesson number 6, where we talk more about family. Bye.